Hello everyone, in this lesson I will show you how to use the graph tool of Illustrator. With the graph tools you can make different styles of graphs. The first tool under this is the column graph tool. The column graph is your typical lineup of columns which corresponds to values indicated by the y-axis. I am going to enter the values here in this graph data sheet. There is a tick mark icon on the top right hand corner which needs to be clicked to create the graph. Stacked column graph tool looks similar to the column graph, but the columns are segmented within itself, outlining more data from within that particular segment. A bar graph is a column graph flipped horizontally instead of vertically, with the values of the bars aligning with the x-axis instead of the y-axis. Stacked bar graph is a bar graph but includes segmented versions of each individual bar to indicate more data than a typical bar graph otherwise would. A line graph uses points on the graph which are connected by a line. An area graph is similar in structure to a line graph but instead has shaded areas to include broader values of information. A scatter graph is made up of several points scattered across the graph. Pie graph tool is a classic pie chart where a circle is divided into sections to complete 100%. A radar graph is similar to an area graph but instead is round and can therefore have more variables than just 2 or 4.